Welcome to codersclub.in. In this program, we'll see how to implement the calculator using buttons. So this is the problem statement. Write a calculator program in JavaScript and implement add, subtract, multiply, divide, and modulo functionalities, and use the buttons to select the functionality. So that means what we are implementing 5 functionalities here: add, subtract, multiply, divide, and modulo. We should have a button for all these things: add, subtract, multiply, divide, and modulo. When the button is pressed, that particular functionality has to be executed. So that's the meaning. So I'm opening the Visual Studio Code. I have a program here called as calculator.html. First, I will run this program. See, this is how it runs. So we have got 2 text boxes here to accept the 2 numbers. And these are the functionalities or the operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulo. So for this, for selecting the functionalities, we are using the buttons here. So I will select, let us say 10 and then 4, and then I'll select this, I'll click this button, addition button, plus, so 14. Okay, here in the console I am displaying all the things: operator, operand 1, operand 2, and result. Now I will select subtraction, see 6, multiplication, 10 multiplied by 4 is 40, division, and modulo, like this. So in this calculator program, we are using buttons to select the functionality. So let us look at the code. So this is the Visual Studio Code, and we have a HTML file. HTML5 has 2 portions. One is header portion and another is body portion. And inside the body portion, we have a form here. Form is starting here and form is ending here. And the name of the form is calculator form. We have to give an appropriate name to the form always. So that's why we have given here calculator form. And we have got 2 text boxes here called as operand 1 and operand 2. And with the names as operand 1 and operand 2, and the size is 5. And next we have got here operation, that is the functionalities. All the functionalities are represented here by using the buttons. So input type is equal to button, and then value is equal to plus, minus, multiplication, division, and then modulo. And on click, so whenever this addition button is clicked, we are calling a JavaScript function called as doCalculator, and to that doCalculator function we are passing the operator plus. And when the multiply button is clicked, we are sending the operator multiplication operator. And when subtract button is pressed, we are sending the minus operator to the JavaScript function. Okay, so and then we have, as usual, we have got a div here with the ID as result, and this is where we are going to display our result, and div is a placeholder. Next. So this is a JavaScript function. Function doCalculator, and operator is coming as a parameter to this function. And initially operator, the value of operator, we are displaying it here. And then we are reading the 2 operand values, operand 1 and operand 2. So the values of the operands will come and sit in this temporary variables. Okay, OPR1 and OPR2. And then the values of OPR1 and OPR2 are displayed on the console. And then the values of OPR1 and OPR2 are converted into integers by using the function, JavaScript function called as parseInt. Next, we are using a switch statement here to check which functionality is selected. So depending upon the value of the operator, we are jumping to this addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulo. And we are doing the appropriate operation here: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulo. And the result will be having the answer. So the result is also displayed in the console. And then by using dynamic HTML, that is inner HTML. So by using document.getElement by ID of result dot inner HTML is equal to result. So this result, we are displaying it in the within that div element, which is having the ID of result. So that's what we are doing. So once again, I will execute this program. So 10 and then 4. So suppose if I select multiply, so 40. If I select division, 2.5. Modulo, 2. Subtraction, 6. Addition, 14, like this. So all the results are also logged in the console. So if this video is useful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel codersclub.in. Thank you.